Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, today we are going to draw something funny and trendy. So let's start making puppet of your own. Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw and color the rectangle puppet. So let's get begin. I take the first purple color for the first row. For the second row, I take dark green. For the third, I take orange color. To make our puppet more eye-catching, I color the fourth row with light blue. And now I use the yellow color for the sunshine. And for the bottom, I use pink color. Yes, friends, we make our puppet more vibrant and fantastic. So, if you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.